This song features two patterns. In the verse, we'll start on a D major, D, F sharp, A. Switch to an E major, E, G sharp, B. We're gonna play those back and forth for 5 beats each. This song is in 5/4, the meter, so we're gonna count to 5 for every measure, for every chord. D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, 2, 3, 4, 5. D, 2, 3, 4, 5. E, 2, 3, 4, 5. In two hands, that verse pattern could look and sound like this. Start on D major, 2, 3, 4, 5. The chorus will begin with an A major chord, A, C sharp, and E, followed by a D major chord, D, F sharp, and A, followed by an F sharp minor chord, F sharp, A, C sharp, and lastly, an E chord, E, G sharp, B. Once again, 5 beats of all of those, starting with the A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, D major, 5 beats, F sharp minor, 5 beats, E, 5 beats. In two hands, that chorus pattern could look and sound like this, beginning on A, 2, 3, 4, 5.